Grandma Rose is flying abroad.
Today, we will learn useful airport English.
Grandma walks slowly through the airport, pulling her suitcase.
This is the airport and I am excited. I am checking my flight. My flight is on time.
May I see your passport, please?
Here is my passport.
Thank you.
My luggage is on the scale.
Your luggage is perfect.
I have my boarding pass now.
Please put your bag here.
Of course. I am walking to gate A12. I am waiting for my flight. Flight 123 to New York is now boarding. That's my flight!
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. I am putting my bag in the overhead bin. This is my seat. My seat belt is fastened.